So the way this is going to work is you're going to listen to the lecture on out of home early in the week, please. And then you're going to do your media journey for out of home after watching the lecture. And you'll submit it by the Friday of that week as per this. Okay. I need photos, audio and video. I want to see what you're doing, what you've done, etc. These are the media types. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 media types for 7 weeks. So today we talked about media issues, got a brief media history of the U.S. We talked quickly about WeChat. We recapped key media terms and concepts, and I've laid out your first half assignment, your media journey. And that is the end of this lecture.